Hi everyone, welcome once again to the Android Kenya channel, and today we're looking at this. This here is the Oppo Reno8 5G. As you can see here in the packaging, there is the 5G emblazoned, whatever, next to the name. Now, we have looked at pretty much all of Oppo's devices in the Reno series here on AndroidKenya.com, and a good number of the unboxing videos on this channel, so you can make reference and see what you get inside the box, what you don't get, and what have you. For the past generation, the Oppo Reno 7, we looked at the 4G variant. That was the Oppo Reno 7, just the standard variant, non-5G. Now at the Reno 8, just like we did with the Reno 6, we're looking at the 5G variant. Oppo is increasing its focus on 5G in our market as things continue maturing up in the 5G market. Safaricom has been testing 5G for the last I think 2 years, so Oppo wants a head start there when finally it goes mainstream and all of those things. So when you buy this device, you are future proofing yourself and all of those things. By the time we're shooting this video, we don't know its pricing, so we're just going to look at what you're getting inside the box, and at launch we'll share news on AndroidKenya.com, and then you can come and evaluate if that's a fine value proposition for you. So let's get started. So there you go, there's this, put it aside, and here is the device itself in all its shimmer black glory. Remember, there are two color options for the Oppo Reno 8 5G, and the entire series. There should be the shimmer gold and the shimmer black, so this is the shimmer black. Let's see what else you're getting inside the box. Here is your charger, and this is no ordinary charger. This is an 80-watt fast charger. So 80-watt Super VOOC fast charger, Super VOOC flash charger. Super VOOC is Oppo's proprietary fast charging technology. So this will do 80 watts. That should be exciting. We loved the Reno 6's Reno 6 5G's 65-watt fast charging, and we were on the fence with the Reno 7 4G's 33-watt fast charging. So let's see how that goes. We'll be sure to share more on AndroidKenya.com when we review the device. And here is our USB Type-C cable for of course it goes with the wall plug for fast charging, and of course data transfer if you ever need to do something like that. So let's come back to the device itself. We are looking here, as they've said, we have dual Sony flagship sensors. We have cameras at the back that support ultra night video, and of course the 80-watt Super VOOC fast charging that we've talked about. And this device is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1300 chipset. The previous two generations for the 5G variant, they've had the Dimensity 900. So now we are getting a bump up to the 1300, which should be one of the newer chips. So let's get rid of these. And yeah, so here is our Oppo Reno 8 5G in all its shimmer black glory. A few things to note here. You have this nice green thing next to the power button, and I presume the fingerprint sensor is under display. And then on the sides here you have your volume up, volume down button. On top there is just a single mic, nothing else for noise cancelling. And then at the bottom is where we'll have our SIM tray, and then is where we have a USB charging port and the transfer port, and there's an extra mic. And then of course we have our speakers. We'll begin to see how those speakers sound. The device is actually nice and thin, and of course there is this slight protrusion here for the camera bump, and when you place the device on the table, yeah, it does wobble, but that's something we can live with. Here we go. So inside this small box, inside the box is a nice clear case and some paperwork, a quick guide and a safety guide, and of course our SIM tray ejector pin. That should be it. As you will see from our unboxing here, there's no pair of earphones included in the box. Oppo does sell its Anchor series of earbuds in the Kenyan market, so you can grab those wirelessly. They pair nicely with their devices. Yeah, or you can get whatever it is that you need. So let's power on this device. And there we are. So there we are. This is the Color OS 12.1 welcome screen, home screen on the Oppo Reno8 5G. The screen refresh rate is set to high automatically. So by high we mean 90 Hertz. You can scale it back down to 60 Hertz, but we don't have an option for auto. I don't know if that will be included in a future over the air update, but for now we just have high and standard. The device feels very snappy, as it will obviously of any device that's new. So we'll keep using this device, take it through its paces, see how it compares to its predecessors, and we'll be sharing our user experiences in due course on androidkenya.com. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you.